Short on time and dealing with busy kitchens? You're not alone. In today's video, we're sharing the best prep tools for busy kitchens that help save time, reduce mess, and make everyday cooking easier. These smart tools are perfect for small kitchens, apartments, and anyone who wants faster, more organized meal prep. Don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen tips and must-have home tools. All product links are in the description below, so you can check prices and reviews anytime. Let's get started and find the right prep tools to upgrade your kitchen. Number 1. Caraway 14-piece kitchen prep set. The Caraway 14-piece kitchen prep set is designed for safe, stylish, and efficient food preparation. It features premium German steel knives that deliver clean, precise cuts for daily cooking tasks. The FSC-certified birchwood utensils feel smooth in hand and are eco-friendly. All tools are made from non-toxic materials, making this set a smart choice for health-conscious homes. The included organizer keeps everything neatly arranged and easy to access. With its modern charcoal finish and durable build, this set improves kitchen workflow while adding a clean, premium look to your countertop. Ideal for everyday cooking and meal prep. Number 2. Prep Deck Gen 2 Prep Station. The Prep Deck Gen 2 station is an all-in-one solution for organized meal preparation. It includes 8 essential prep tools, a large cutting board, and 14 food containers with tight super seal lids. Removable trash compartments help keep your workspace clean while chopping ingredients. A built-in tablet stand allows hands-free recipe viewing during cooking. The compact yet functional design keeps everything within reach, saving time and reducing mess. With its clean white stone finish, this prep station looks modern and professional, making it perfect for busy kitchens and efficient meal planning. Number 3. Henckels Forged Accent Barbecue Tool Set. The Henckels Forged 9-piece barbecue carving tool set is built for serious grilling performance. Each tool is crafted from forged stainless steel for strength and long-lasting sharpness. The ergonomic black handles provide a secure, comfortable grip while slicing and carving meats. This set includes essential tools for serving and carving barbecue dishes with precision. Durable construction ensures reliable performance during outdoor cooking sessions. Easy to clean and maintain, this set is a solid choice for backyard grilling, family gatherings, and anyone who enjoys professional quality barbecue tools. Number 4. Prep Deck Gen 2 Prep Station Black. The Prep Deck Gen 2 Prep Station in Midnight Black combines functionality with a sleek design. It features a spacious cutting board, 8 prep tools, and 14 clear containers with leak-proof lids. Removable trash bins help keep countertops clean while cooking. The built-in tablet stand allows easy access to recipes without clutter. Designed to keep ingredients organized and fresh, this station improves workflow and saves prep time. Its modern black finish blends well with contemporary kitchens, making it an excellent choice for daily cooking and efficient meal preparation. Number 5. OXO 15-piece Stainless Steel Utensil Set. The OXO 15-piece stainless steel utensil set delivers durability and everyday convenience. Each tool is made from high-quality stainless steel that resists rust and heat. The handles feel comfortable and balanced, making cooking easier and safer. This set includes essential utensils for cooking, serving, and food preparation. The sleek stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any kitchen. Easy to clean and built for long-term use, this utensil set is perfect for home cooks who want reliable tools in one complete package. Number 6. Mercer Culinary 13-piece School Kit. The Mercer Culinary 13-piece Millennia School Kit is designed for culinary students and home cooks who want professional tools. It includes well-balanced knives and essential accessories built for durability and control. The ergonomic handles provide a secure grip, improving safety and cutting accuracy. A sturdy carrying case makes storage and transport easy. This kit helps build confidence while practicing kitchen skills and techniques. With its professional-grade construction, it's an excellent choice for beginners learning cooking fundamentals or anyone upgrading their kitchen tools. Number 7. Knife Saga 14-piece Knife Block Set. The Knife Saga 14-piece knife block set offers precision and convenience for everyday cooking. Made from Japanese high-carbon stainless steel, the blades stay sharp longer and resist rust. The built-in sharpener keeps knives ready for use without extra tools. Non-serrated steak knives provide smooth, clean cuts. The sturdy wooden block organizes knives safely on your counter. Designed for comfort and performance, this set makes chopping, slicing, and meal prep faster and more efficient for home kitchens. Number 8. Caraway 14-piece kitchen prep set in navy. The Caraway 14-piece kitchen prep set in navy delivers premium performance with a stylish finish. German steel knives provide smooth, precise cuts, while birchwood utensils feel natural and comfortable. All materials are non-toxic, supporting safer food preparation. The matching organizer keeps tools neatly stored and easy to access. Built for durability and daily use, this set improves kitchen efficiency while adding a modern, elegant look. A great choice for cooks who value safety, design, and reliable performance. Number 9. Macifeci Stainless Steel Utensil Set. The Macifeci Stainless Steel Kitchen Utensil Set includes 12 large, durable tools made from premium 1810 stainless steel. These utensils are built for everyday cooking and long-term performance. The solid metal construction resists rust, stains, and bending even with frequent use. Comfortable handles provide a secure grip while stirring, flipping, or serving food. The polished stainless steel finish stays shiny and looks great in modern kitchens. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, this set is ideal for home cooks who prefer sturdy, reliable utensils over plastic alternatives, a practical upgrade for daily cooking tasks. Number 10. Kikcoin Wood Cutting Board Set. The Kikcoin Wood Cutting Board Set includes 3 solid wooden boards designed for chopping, slicing, and serving. Built-in compartments help separate ingredients while cooking, keeping prep organized and efficient. Juice grooves catch excess liquids to protect your countertops from spills. The included holder stores boards neatly and saves space. Made from durable acacia wood, these boards provide a sturdy cutting surface while also doubling as stylish charcuterie trays. Perfect for daily kitchen use, this set combines functionality, durability, and a natural look that fits well in any home kitchen. Number 11. Swissmar V-Prep Mandolin Slicer. The Swissmar V-Prep Mandolin Slicer is a versatile kitchen tool designed to save time during food preparation. It easily slices, juliennes, shreds, and cubes vegetables with sharp, precise blades. The included multifunction bowl collects food neatly, keeping counters clean. A safety holder protects fingers while slicing, making it safer for everyday use. Compact and lightweight, this slicer stores easily in small kitchens. Its simple white design fits any kitchen style. Ideal for salads, meal prep, and quick cooking tasks, this tool delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Number 12. Caraway 14-piece Kitchen Prep Set Cream. The Caraway 14-piece Kitchen Prep Set in cream offers premium performance with a clean, modern design. German steel knives provide smooth, precise cutting for daily food prep. FSC-certified birchwood utensils feel comfortable and natural in hand. All materials are non-toxic, supporting healthier cooking at home. The included organizer keeps tools neatly stored and easy to access. Designed for durability and everyday use, this set improves kitchen efficiency while adding a soft, elegant look to your space. A great choice for cooks who value safety, quality, and style. Number 13. Mueller Pro Series Mandolin Slicer. The Mueller Pro Series Mandolin Slicer is an all-in-one kitchen gadget built for fast and efficient food prep. It features 12 interchangeable blades for slicing, dicing, grating, and spiralizing vegetables. The included container catches food neatly, reducing mess on your countertop. Its compact design saves space while offering multiple cutting options in one tool. Easy to use and clean, this slicer works well for salads, fries, and healthy meals. With a modern white and gray finish, it's a practical addition for busy home kitchens. Number 14. Umade Chef's Silicone Utensil Set. The Umade Chef 34-piece silicone kitchen utensil set covers nearly every cooking task. Heat-resistant silicone protects non-stick cookware from scratches and damage. Wooden handles provide a comfortable grip and add a stylish touch. The set includes a grater for added convenience during meal prep. Designed for durability and daily use, these tools are easy to clean and store. The dark gray color looks modern and blends well with most kitchens. Ideal for home cooks who want versatility, safety, and value in one complete utensil set. Number 15. Umite Chef Mixing Bowl Set. The Umite Chef Mixing Bowl Set includes 26 pieces designed for mixing, serving, and storing food. Durable stainless steel bowls resist rust and handle daily kitchen use. Airtight lids help keep food fresh and prevent spills. Non-slip bottoms keep bowls steady while mixing ingredients. Multiple bowl sizes support both small and large recipes. Greater attachments add extra functionality for quick food prep. This all-in-one set helps keep cooking organized, efficient, and mess-free. A smart choice for busy kitchens and everyday meal preparation. Number 16. Kaluns Silicone Utensil Set. The 50-piece Kaluns Silicone Kitchen Utensil Set offers complete coverage for all cooking needs. Heat-resistant silicone handles temperatures up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, making it safe for high-heat cooking. Non-stick friendly tools protect cookware from scratches. Wooden handles provide a firm, comfortable grip. The set includes essential tools like spatulas, mashers, turners, and a can opener. Easy to clean and durable, this large utensil collection improves cooking efficiency and organization. Perfect for home cooks who want maximum value and versatility in one set.
Number 17. Avdor Stainless Steel Tool Set. The Avdor Stainless Steel Kitchen Tool Set includes 10 durable tools designed for cooking, baking, and food prep. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these tools resist rust and maintain their strength over time. The included holder keeps everything neatly organized and helps save valuable counter space. Each utensil feels balanced and comfortable to use, making daily cooking tasks easier. The smooth stainless steel surface cleans quickly and stays looking new with minimal effort. With a sleek and modern design, this set fits perfectly in small or large kitchens and offers reliable performance for everyday use. Number 18. Liberhouse 2-in-1 Kitchen Scissors. The Liberhouse 2-in-1 Kitchen Scissors combines cutting and slicing in one compact tool. Sharp stainless steel blades handle fruits, vegetables, meat, and cheese with ease. The built-in plastic cutting board allows quick chopping without needing extra tools. A safety lock keeps the scissors secure when stored. Its 9.6-inch size provides good control and comfort during use. Designed for convenience and space-saving storage, these kitchen scissors reduce mess and speed up prep work, a practical gadget for everyday cooking and quick food preparation.
Number 19. Zulay Kitchen Garlic Press Set. The Zulay Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set makes preparing fresh garlic fast and effortless. The rust-proof construction ensures long-term durability, while the soft, ergonomic handle provides comfortable squeezing with minimal effort. This set includes a silicone garlic peeler and cleaning brush for added convenience. The press delivers consistent results without crushing cloves by hand. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, it saves time after cooking. Compact and sturdy, this garlic press set is perfect for home cooks who use garlic regularly and want reliable performance every day. Number 20. Zulay Kitchen Silicone Spoon Rest. The Zulay Kitchen Silicone Spoon Rest keeps your stovetop clean and organized while cooking. Made from high heat-resistant, BPA-free silicone, it safely holds hot utensils without damage. The wide design fits multiple tools, such as ladles, tongs, and spatulas at the same time. It catches drips effectively, reducing mess on countertops. Easy to clean and lightweight, this spoon rest is ideal for daily cooking. Its compact size fits neatly beside the stove, making it a practical and thoughtful kitchen accessory. Number 21. Farberware Nylon Meat Masher. The Farberware Nylon Meat and Potato Masher is designed for fast and efficient cooking. Its 5-blade head quickly breaks up ground meat and soft foods evenly. Heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it can be used safely while cooking. The nylon material protects non-stick cookware from scratches. An ergonomic handle provides comfort and control during use. Dishwasher-safe construction makes cleanup easy. Lightweight yet sturdy, this masher is a reliable kitchen tool for preparing meals quickly and with less effort.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. You'll find all the featured products linked in the description, with the latest prices and exclusive Amazon deals. Got a favorite gadget or any questions? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart and keep exploring amazing gadgets.